Uh-oh, man. What's up, what's glorious, guys? As you guys can see, it's your boy Ken Drippy Jr. Drippin' in the building. Back with a brand new trip to the Thrift. But yeah, guys, I just want to say I'm excited to hop in these trenches today, and I want to shout out everyone who watched my customization video. I'm telling y'all, I know some of you guys slept on it, but y'all need to watch it because the customs go crazy, and they're some of my best videos, like straight up. All right. Let's hop in. All right, in there like swimwear, and oh my God, I need this couch. I absolutely need it. This is 90s AF. Oh my goodness, it's looking like a vertical polo, bro.
What's that?
You joking me? All right, we're in the clothing section, man. I got a shoulder full of some slight, but check this out, dude. Someone does not know how to properly operate a washing machine. Are you joking me? Better yet, a dryer. Trippy. Look at these fire jerseys. God damn, they got tumbled on extra heat, dude. All the screen printing is just falling off. They got the Milan and they have the Barca. Mira, Messi?
Stronger, more athletic guy right there. Wow.
Bro, they tripping. Bro, the sleeve never deceives too. You got that Ravenclaw Cho Chang. This is fire. Hey, they did not skimp on the quality either. Look at that embroidery. My God. All right, so we've moseyed on to the casting couch section, but I gotta show y'all everything that I grabbed. This was all chilling on my shoulder, bro. I'm getting a workout in the Thrift. So a lot of these are simple, sexy, vintage essentials, such as this kind of aquaberry striped long sleeve polo. You also have that young reefer addict. Oh my God, look at this, bro. What the hell? They got toothpicks just poking out. What were they doing? But yeah, you have this like vintage kind of 70s-esque hoodie right there. And then what is this? Yeezy season?
She just bleached her asshole.
Peep game at the essential olive, man, with the wool interior. They going crazy. This thing is super old. Side pocket for narcotics. Look at that little handcuff right there. My Lord, getting kinky. Okay, we got some little short shorts for the men's as well. Nice geometric design. You guys saw the Ravenclaw. And then check this out, dude. University of California, UCLA, best in the West. Vintage crew neck. And then we got some Carhartt pants. Dude, move out the way. Look at this. Just look at these. Wow. You guys could build a damn log cabin in these bitches. And then you have the scuba diver tee. Very cool graphic how to grab it. Another essential polo. Hit the golf course in style, daddy. I love these. Super soft Ivy Club. The color scheme is really cool. Like, tuck those into some light wash denim jeans. You 90s as fuck. And then you got another pair of Carhartt. These have the like slight paint drip.
That's nasty.
So I don't know if I'm gonna get them. And then last but not least, just some small logo Adidas cozy navy yet wavy. Look at the jewelry.
Holy
fleece pullover. What's up? God almighty, why? Why are you looking like this? Why does it look like I'm in the shower? Man, that humidity is unreal. But look at this. Hey, the fines are unreal too though, boy. Hells yeah. Got 2 big bags full of stuff at the first spot. Hopefully that is a sign of things to come. Yeah, dude, I mean, I'm satisfied. And look at this. Oh, you can see that vasculature, bro. Damn. Wow. Damn, this person parked so good. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
All right, man, we're outside Goodwill. Well, I got this mask on already. We outside Goodwill. No lie, man. If asbestos had a smell, it would be the smell of this store. I don't know what's going on, but it smells really, really diseased in this store. All right, so there's been pretty much nothing in here aside from Buzz that I made ride this dinosaur and
This.
that is right, ladies and germs. I know you guys see flounder, whose species isn't actually a flounder, but check out this sleeping bag. Look at that. the baddest little half fish, half woman, that mermaid. Nah, merman.
Just thank the Lord she didn't live to see her son as a mermaid. Merman.
Yo, this thing goes too crazy. They're probably gonna like tax 10 bucks on this.
Tripping.
But I mean, this thing is just so nice. I have to.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. I actually got one, man. This was like 3 bucks.
I'll drill y'all.
30 on the sun, 720 on the dump. Perm press hell, smells like Sharon Stone.
All right, we've touched down. Next spot, man. Family Thrift. My eyelid keeps twitching. It seems like I'm just winking at everybody, and I'm not trying to. Well, I guess some people I am, but like, bro, I don't know what's going on with it. So if you guys are any health experts, let me know in the comment section below, bro, because this is going crazy. All right, man, we're live in the building. The homie Nick's in here. Hey, shout out your Instagram real quick, bro.
Third Coast Vintage Wear.
Huh, we got Third Coast Vintage Wear in the building. And guys, I found some stuff in here, but it is always awesome when people are showing love, obviously. But check it out, you got the Oliver North Fan Club single stitch in this bitch, brand new with tags. Are you joking me? It was originally $7.
Wait, who's Oliver North?
What? I can't believe you kids don't know about the great patriot Ollie North. Ollie North, Ollie North. You see, North secretly sold missiles to a harmless country called Iran that would always be a grateful ally.
Then I got this little Crocs hat. I just like the design on it, nothing too crazy. But these guys right here, the toy section was just lit with them. You have all these starting lineup figurines. You got Scottie Pippen. You have Larry Bird, Michael Jordan. You have a bunch of Jordans, actually. It's just Magic Johnson. It's just crazy. Warren Moon, huh? Ace Time. I just wish they had all the helmets. But, oh, there's this helmet right there, bro. I am blessed. This is absolutely insane, though. Just the amount of starting lineup figurines.
The rush is on for starting lineup. Now there's an official collection of NFL heroes. So real they seem alive.
Each one of these is like $4. Bro, if Toy Story was real life, I'd be haunted by these little shits. But I think I can hide them everywhere in the crib, so that's what's up. I'm just really happy I found all these. They got Akeem Olajuwon, and it's almost better when they're in the bags outside of the boxes, because you can literally just hide these dudes all over your crib, so it's lit. Jesus Christ, you guys peep the fit in the reflection. This is the most absurdly large chalice I've ever seen in my life. Bro, what the hell? I feel like you like sip on children's blood out of this or something. This is on some demonic Illuminati type shit. What the hell? Bro, these low-key go hard. Look at all those embroidered little biachos. I thought these were like polo, but they're just prisoner orange Izod pantaloonses. 15. Oh man, personal foul, bro.
Personal foul, tripping.
Good God, guys, look at these plaid swim trunks with the giant pony. Holy shit, what are they asking on these?
$1.91.
Oh boy, $2. That's what's up.
Woo! All right, guys, we're out of there. You dig? Shout out to homie Rob and Nick who were in the store, and Nick's girl and daughter. I didn't catch their names, but it's always awesome when people show love, man. Makes me feel good. I'm glad you guys watch and pull up and say what's up and not just stare at me and don't say anything, because that's always awkward. But yeah, we got a couple bags of tings, so, or a bag of tings. So I'm excited, man. I'm grateful. I'm happy. I didn't think they were gonna have shit, but they did though. Yes.
Now flabbergasted, showcase fashion across the atlas. Duct tape the actress to the mattress. Fatal attraction. Moon boots.
All right, guys, so we have pulled up to the Cathedral, the family thrift outlet on Hillcroft, and it's open.
Open season, man, and I'm hunting for some flame. Let's get in there.
Oh, don't mind if I do, Daddy. You got that Miguel Jordan. Chicago Bulls. Look at that, the Chicago Bulls. Or is that donkey? I don't know. All I know is this is amazing, man. Wow. Hey, it even looks like the basketball is perspirating. That's what's up. Made in USA, son. Dude, I feel like I just got juked by this shirt.
Oh, he broke his ankles.
I thought this was vintage, man, but it is that Walmart exclusive
That bravado tee. God dang it, dude. Oh my God. Man, I'm not gonna lie, this is still a cool shirt regardless. Oh, the classic. I'm gonna beat them boys up like Ron Artest. Yeah. I'ma beat their ass up like Ron Artest. Dude, checks over stripes. Look at this. Swoosh by Nike. I love that branding. You have the bread, but predominantly white, really heavy Nike jacket. Absolutely glorious with that fat check on the back. My God. This is looking like a teacher being lazy grading the homework. Nice. Yo, these trunks are knocking my dick in the dirt, bro. Chaps Ralph Lauren. Oh, look at that patch right there. And then right below it, you have that boy, Cedric the Entertainer. No, that boy, Cedric Caballos. Or Sabalos.
Sabalos for three. Big shot by Cedric Sabalos.
I don't really know how to enunciate that, but
Tripping.
Damn, it's that champion Lakers looking like a fine piece of cheese. Oh, look at this little bitch right here, boy. You got that Scooby-Doo sipping on that wet. Made in USA. That's what's up. Then, dude, this shirt took an Italian left real quick. Got that boy Shane Victorino. The Phillies jersey. And then one time for John Wayne, like raising money for cancer. Yes, I was able to read this micro font right here. But you have John Wayne American. Oh, look at that patch. Swag. Made in USA. Oh, no. Made in Mexico. Let me get it straight, bro. Single stitch, though. Y'all know what time it is. Oh, my tits. Guys, look at this Stone Age flame. Are you joking me? You got the Flintstones, what appears to be a pastel drawing on the Toltecs frame. Mr. Fred himself, 1994. My dear Lord, baby, that's art.
Is what you interpreted to be.
Ooh, check me out on this one, man. I'm gonna look like one of these little TikTok boys. You feel me? You got the hardcock Rafe. God, why does my dyslexia always pop up on these damn shirts?
You have the Hardcock Cafe.
Hard Rock Cafe t-shirt. Hey, and look at this little Florida gator. That fool's mouth looks crazy. This is more like Hungry Hippos. Whoa, the back of this is wild. Boy's just slugging it with his damn tail. Lesson of the day, lesson of life. The sleeve never deceives. Check this out. You have this sand knit, all embroidered, vintage Walter Payton jersey. Anyone who knows these are old school as hell. This is probably one of the oldest types of jerseys you can get, and the fact that his name is embroidered on the back is crazy. Walter Payton was a legend.
Walter Payton, in a class by himself, the premier running back in all of pro football.
My dear God, guys, I got my favorite jeans in here, button flies, so that is not easy access. She or he has to work for it, you feel me? But you have the Levi's 501s. These are vintage renditions. I don't know what this dude ate, but he definitely, he shut out something. Is that curry? I wish Kinky was here to sniff test it for me.
Bro, these shorts got a straight shit stain on them.
Oh wow, how do you know what they ate previously? I had a boy.
It's goat curry.
Oh, nice.
Bro, this is like if a sewing machine somehow made TV static. You dig? You got the Reebok Golf crazy patterned 90s polo. Dude, Shark Week, bruh. All embroidered San Jose Sharks jersey. This thing is too crispy. It's litty. Are you shitting me? Guys, y'all probably can't even see, but these have that honeycomb design. And they're like chameleon pink miter or mitri shorts. Shout out soccer, man. Not like this. Look at this, bro. You have the multicolored neon soccer ball. This will go perfectly with the shouts. Bruh, freaking beast. I love the stripes, man. Very reminiscent of a candy cane. It's not even holiday season yet, though. You got the Jermaine Jones. I think that's his name, or it's Mike Jones, huh? You got the Keep Kicking, and then it's signed. I don't know by who, but bro, this might be a personal collection cop. Size large. Bro, I just found a fat stack of white tees, bruh. Look at this. Nature can be restocked. The barcode form is the Zebras, 1990. You got the Milwaukee County Zoo Koala tee. You got the Moose showing naked ass t-shirt.
You got the big cats are back. Lincoln Park Zoo, hold up. That's combining like Tiger King with the 2000s band, you dig? You got the soccer. Oh shit, they got a big ass symbol on the back. Damn. You got the soccer football tee. Dang. Okay, the backs of these shirts are popping. This says, if you don't love hockey, stick it. Oh! Bro, we just got straight gems. I'm not about to read this, that's way too many words, but nice graphic. Lowe's Racing and the super old school St. Louis Cardinals tee. Jesus. Oh man. All right, we're about to head out and check out these last two finds, dude. You got the Guess Jeans 1994 Guess Athletic tee. Look at that tag, my God, made in USA. Guess Jeans. Guess denim.
Guess jeans, guess denim. I bet you can't guess what's up in it. That's your paycheck in less than a minute.
And then next door you have Mickey and Minnie. Check out their outfits. Oh my dear God. These fools got that swag, low key. Mickey's packing, he got that donk. This is fire though. All right guys, last find of the day. Grail. COVID. Check it out. Bruh, it looks plain Jane, right? But the sleeve is yet to deceive. Oh, that Nautica? Banana neck? God damn. Little boat, all up in the button. Zipper, sorry, you know what I mean, clean.
All right guys, we're up out of there. Shout out the Family Thrift Outlet on Hillcroft. Always coming through for your boy, man. We got some good stuff today. I'm satisfied. Hey, and we back, baby. Look, real quick and sexy like, man. I never want to leave you guys with blue balls, right? Right. In my last unboxing video, man, thank you to everyone who watched, I unboxed a gift from Puma. It was a children's size extra small white tee. And some of you guys I know were commenting disappointed and left with a blue ball sack because I didn't show you guys what it looked like on a torso. So it's only right that I conclude this video by showing you guys my thrift fit for today. So go ahead and get ready. Somebody think I'm playing. Y'all think I'm bullshitting. Check it out. Oh yeah. Shout out to fine folks at Puma. You feel me? I never can leave you guys with that blue sack. Daddy Cantu gotta get you guys right. You feel me? So soak this in, put it on like 1/4 speed or some shit, and just drink it up, playboys. Hey man. I say that to say this, bro. I couldn't be here without y'all support, man. All the love and support throughout the years has culminated to this moment right now. And I just truly want to extend my gratitude and appreciation to each and every one of y'all, man. And shout out to Tween who's missing her extra small shirt. But hey, if it's meant to be, it shall be. Puma.